Hello and welcome back to my channel Fly High with Priya. First of all, I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded any video from past 3 weeks, but now I'll be uploading. Today I'll be discussing the summary of Oliver Twist, which is written by Charles Dickens and was published in 1830. And basically it describes the life, you can say, or you can say the time of 1830s, Victorian age. And it is one of the most celebrated novel by the novelist. It is the novel which describes the life of a 9 years old boy, Oliver Twist. He is the protagonist around whom the whole novel revolves. And it is having 52 chapters, means the whole novel is divided into 52 chapters. And it is a well-knit novel, means the plot is very beautifully laid by the novelist. And in the last, everything, even the small things are just very beautifully ended. So it is a very beautiful novel. You should read the text, I should say. And let's get started with the summary. As the novel opens, you can see a very dirty place, filthy place is described, a very small cottage type place is there. A lady delivers a boy, and that boy is Oliver Twist, and she dies after delivering the boy. Now he is an orphan, you can say, because nobody is there. And the lady who was there, old lady was there, and her name was Sally. She thinks that as this lady is not having any engagement ring, so it can be a possibility that she was not married. So he was sent to a workhouse, and there he is brought up. And there is a problem that he is not fed, means he has to work very hard, but he is not given food, proper food, you can say, proper lifestyle, proper clothing. No facility is given, though in orphanages also the payments are there, are paid, means payments are made for the children, but still they are not given to that children. And when he was young, he was sent to a workhouse where Mr. Bumble was the head, and he asks for food. Oliver asks for food. He was beaten, he was badly treated. He was the person, he was a kind of child, he was 9 years old, and he was kind of child who used to do his work faithfully, used to work very hard during the day, and at night he just wants food, but he was not given proper food. The food which even dogs cannot eat, that kind of food was given to that boy, or you can say the other boys, the orphan boys or children. So and there was another child, another person was also there, that was Noah. And this person, or Noah, doesn't like Oliver Twist, as Oliver Twist remains very sad all the time. That's why Mr. Bumble thinks that he should be made a mouner, means a child who can mount during the death of different child. So Noah is not comfortable, is not happy that he has got promotion. That's why he misbehaves with this Oliver Twist. And finally what happens, that there is a fight between Oliver Twist and Noah, and though Oliver Twist was very small, still he strikes Noah very hard, and therefore he was just given punishment, and he was locked up in the room. And finally he decides to escape from that place. He was also sent at different places, means he was sent as a work, as a child labor, you can say, at different places. One person was Strawberry, he was apprenticed there. But finally, after that incident, that locking up, he decides to run away. He thinks that he will go to London, because it is thought that London is a beautiful place and he will get everything, whatever he wants. So he decides that he'll run from that village, as the village is, and that village, the whole setup is not, you can say, told that which village is that. Nothing is told where it is, but only this thing is told, that it is a village in England. So he decides to run to London, and therefore he runs away and he reaches London. There he just spends, he's not having that much money. So that's why he just makes his livelihood by begging. Whatever he gets, he consumes that thing. And finally he meets you can say, thief, and that was Artful Dodger. And he was a child, though he was dressed up like a man, like a, you can say, a coat woat pehen ke, that type of person he meets. And that Artful Daughter jo hai, wo takes this Oliver Twist to a very filthy place, a dangerous type of streets, choked ones, choked rallies type of place was there. He takes him there, and he introduces that Artful Daughter, introduces Oliver Twist to other people. And there Fagin was there. Fagin was the chief, you can say, the leader, you can say, of the gang of thieves. Oliver was not aware that this is the gang of thieves, and he is there. So Fagin just gives him good food to eat, and for the first time in life he eats such a good food. धीरे धीरे फेगिन जो है teaches him to thief how to do thievery, है ना. Many thieves are there, and then one day Fagin with Artful Dodger and one other person, these three person go for thievery, for pickpocketing actually. And when they were pickpocketing, Oliver was not aware that why they have gone and what they will do, है ना. So when they were pickpocketing, so sorry, and so that time what happens that they are seen by the person and they ran away, but Oliver was not aware that what is happening, that's why he doesn't run away. So police जो है arrests Oliver Twist, but the person who was being robbed, you can say, he comes there and he thinks that this child is innocent, he hasn't done anything. That's why he just gets his bail and whatever, does not file complaint, and he just takes him with himself and he says that I'll educate you, I'll help you, and therefore that person was Mr. Brownlow, and he takes Oliver Twist to his house and he gets him admitted into a school. And one day what happens, his friend, Brownlow's friend, comes there, visits there, and Oliver is just ordered, you can say, or requested that you should just go and give these books. Some books were given to him. Go and deliver these books to so and so person. So Oliver goes there, but in the, you can say, meantime what happens, Fagin, the gang of Fagin, Nancy is there, Sakin is there. So what happens, they just kidnaps Oliver Twist and they takes this person, Oliver Twist, to Fagin again. Now, on the other hand, Brownlow, he was not happy at all, means he thinks that in reality, Oliver Twist was a thief and that's why he has run away. Whereas Oliver Twist is very sad to come there at Fagin's place. Fagin जो है, he's very angry with Oliver Twist, and he just puts him into a lockup, you can say, locks him up in the room, and he says that you will have to become thief, you can't run away like this. He was very angry, he misbehaves with him. Nancy just pities Oliver Twist because he was a 9-year-old cute sa boy, chubby sa boy. That's why she feels very sorry that why I have kidnapped, means why I have helped kidnapping this boy, I should not have done that. So she says that I'll help you out, I'll help you to get rid from this very place, the filthy place. The main reason why Fagin was making this Oliver Twist a thief was a very interesting thing. You will come to know after some time. Now what happens, in the meantime what happens, Brownlow, who is very disappointed, he just goes to West Indies, and again this Fagin jo hai, trains Oliver Twist and says that you will have to rob that place. So 3-4 people just go to rob a place, and there also Oliver Twist was not happy to do that kind of work. Therefore what happens, he is shot and he was injured, and all the people just run away after throwing him into a ditch. And Rose and Mr. Marlin was the two ladies who helps this Oliver Twist. They just treats his wound, and he was very unhappy, he was very sad, and he was in a very fearful mode that Fagin will come and will take him away. So these two ladies and the doctor helps this boy to get well. They takes him to different places so that his mind becomes settled down. They ask about his past, whatever has happened. This Oliver Twist tells him that he wants to meet Mr. Rollum because he must be thinking that he was a thief, and they visit that place where that old man used to live, but they found that he has gone to West Indies. Now Oliver Twist is very sad. In the meantime, what happens? Mr. Bumble and one lady is there, Miss Caroni is there, and this lady, Miss Caroni, was the one who just stole the ring and the locket from the mother of Oliver Twist. Okay, she was the one who stole everything. She has stolen these things. So now she reveals to Mr. Bumble. Now she was a widow. He was a widow. He flirts with her. With this lady, and as she was rich, Mr. Bumble was very much interested to marry him, and finally after revealing all these things, they marry and she becomes Mrs. Bumble. And they were not happy with the marriage. They used to quarrel a lot, and one person, Monks, suddenly he appears in the screen and he comes and visits Mr. and Mrs. Bumble, And Mrs. Bumble tells that yes, I was the one who has stolen that locket and that ring, and I am having that ring. And the monks ask for that ring and that locket, and he finally throws into the river because he does not want that the true identity of Oliver Twist should be revealed. And then he meets Fagin. Now Fagin meets that monk, and they are the partners in the crime. Now Monks is the half brother of Oliver, and he wants to take every means each and every property. He wants to take the property which is of Oliver as well as of Monks, but he wants to take that property. That's why he wants Oliver Twist to be a thief or to be indulged in bad things, because later on it will be revealed that why Monks was doing that thing, why he was so means adamant to make Oliver Twist a thief. Finally, what happens that Nancy reveals everything to Rose. She tells that whatever has happened, why this has happened, who is Monk, because she overhears Fagin and Monks. So she tells everything, and she tells that I'll come on the bridge every day. If you have something to tell me or ask me, I'll be there and I'll help you all. And Rose says that you should leave these things. You should not continue with all these things. You should lead a very happy and simple life. But she says that it is too late. I'm not able to leave all these things. It is very difficult for me. Meanwhile, what happens? Noah, he also comes to London, and he also joins Fagin. And he is given the task to follow Nancy because they have the doubt that Nancy is not behaving properly. So she is caught and she is killed by by this gang of thieves. And what happens finally? Mr. Rowland comes and he meets Monks. Now Nancy has told everything to that person, that old man, and he finally meets that Monks, and he says that I'll hand over to you. I'll hand over you to the police because you have created all the mess. He says that your father and me, means we both were very good friends. He was forced to marry your mother, and she was 10 years older than your father, sorry, and that's why they were not happy. Your mother was very bad in nature. That's why they got separated. She took the money and she left the place, and after that your father fell in love with Agnes, and she was the one who delivered the child, who was about to deliver a child. They were not married, but your father जो है became ill and finally died, and he has made the will. एंड ये सारी बातें जो है मिस्टर रॉलो जो है वो बताते हैं मॉन्क्स को, एंड ही सेज दैट कि Agnes say his father has given a photo of Agnes, and the person, the Oliver Twist, matches this Agnes, and that's why he has kept Oliver Twist with him. So Monk जो है reveals that his father has made the will. He says that the property should be divided in equally between his two sons, that is Monks and the Oliver Twist, or you can say जो भी बच्चा पैदा होगा उसके बीच में property will be divided equally, but the property will be given to the second child if he is having good character, he is not involved in any bad things. If he is pure, he'll be given that property. And that's why Monks has plotted. Monks wants that he should become thief and indulge in bad things, so that on the basis of that he can get the whole money of his father. So this is the plan of Monks, which was, you can say, just you can say खराब कर दिया गया उसको by this person. And Fagin and all these robbers were arrested. Police was after them. They are arrested. They are found guilty, and Fagin जो है finally is given the punishment of hanging till death. And Rosie, there comes the Rose. Now Rose was the sister of Agnes, and this monk tells everyone that it was the plot of his mother. She went to the village of Rose, and she told that she is the illegitimate child of the mother, and that's why so that this Oliver Twist and Rose never meet. That's why she just created a very that kind of atmosphere. Finally जो है Rose and Harry, the son of Mr. Merlin, who were in love with each other, they marry, because now she was it is known that Rose is not illegitimate child, and she is the aunt of Oliver Twist. This is also revealed by Monk. Now they all are happy, means there is a happy ending. जो भी antagonists say they are punished for their misdeeds, for their bad deeds, and this Mr. Rowland, he adopts Oliver Twist, and finally he gets the whatever inheritance he was having. He distributes that property with his brother, half brother Monks, and they live happily ever after. This was the summary. A very long novel it is, and I think it has become very long. The summary has also become very long. I hope the summary is very much clear to you, and I have cut it short. Means there are so many characters. If I would have told na subah ho jati. It is very long novel. The important characters have been told by me. Otherwise, you can just watch it in this description box. I'll write the main characters or minor characters in the description box. You can just watch it from that place also. Till then, bye bye. जाने से पहले लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और शेयर करना भूलना मत. बताना मत भूलना हाउ वाज द वीडियो, वाज इट हेल्पफुल. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, सी यू.